free weed. Oh yeah, happy trails. Good morning from day 87. We camped out 6 miles from the junction to Fish Lake Resort near the volcano. Kev has some shots that we were hiking on it for like 2 miles, I think. We have to do another 6 miles, and every now and then we get a nice path that is not on lava rock, so that's great. Don't really have a plan for today other than we want to like try to get another 23-25 miles in, and we left a little early because if we can get a hitch to the Fish Lake Resort, we might get a breakfast burrito. Right, Kev?
Yeah.
So Kev's been wanting. So sounds really good to me too. And it would be nice for our food supply, so we can eat a little more, because we are experiencing hiker hunger once again. So yeah, let's go. See you during our stumbling session on these rocks. Here at the Fish Lake Resort crossing, and there's a beautiful path down to the lake, but it's 1.8 miles?
2
miles. That's a little too long, so we're gonna try get a hitch at the highway, which is a quarter of a mile. So yeah. Hiked 1.5 mile down to the Fish Lake Resort because we're hungry and we want a breakfast burrito and a milkshake. Yeah, but well, we'll still have to see if that is worth the 3-mile detour. Anyhow, we're here now. It's time to enjoy some food. We've been chilling out here at the Fish Lake Resort for about 3 hours now. It's really time to go. Some good food, some good shakes, some ice cream, some sodas, what else? And I forgot to film the food, which is a shame. But as soon as I see food, I want to eat it. I don't want to film first. So yeah, excuse me for that. What a treat. Never enough milkshakes. Got ourselves another ride in a pickup truck.
Saves us 2 miles of hiking.
Yeah, very nice.
I mean, it's a nice day to hike, but not nice enough to do 2 miles extra.
2 extra miles. Now we already did them, so it would be 4 actually. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So you'd say this is an ordinary crossing with where to go and, you know, where we need to go, Pacific Crest Trail. But then you stumble upon this, some deed, which is very useful, and free weed. Oh yeah, happy trails. Right, I'm gonna stand back. There you go.
Go up. And don't
sometimes we just need a few centimeters. That's the way it is.
Someone needs
You
to.
know,
Most people, the volunteers, they always take a chainsaw.
we're not allowed to here.
Aren't you?
This is wilderness. No saw. That's enough. Throw the tool away. Never have to clean up.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're doing a great job.
Christie Springs. We got a little taste of what the real mosquito hell looks like. Good evening from day 87. Is it still 80? I think so, 87. Whatever. Went to Fish Lake today after doing 6 miles. Did the 2-mile road walk down to the resort. Then we got a very nice hitch back out of town from a very nice guy. Did another 15.5 miles, I believe. I'm not sure. It didn't feel like 15 miles, but who knows. The area was pretty flat, pretty cruisy, so that was nice. We had a lot of sugar in our system from the shakes, the drinks, and then the food. I think
ice cream.
I think just our food at the resort was 500% daily recommended sugar intake. Just there, so that's pretty funny. So yeah, going up that mountain was easy peasy.
Didn't feel like a mountain today.
No, it was fine. Yeah, and then we got to the water source called Christie Spring or something, and that's where the mosquitoes got real bad. Got a little taste of what's up ahead. Maybe, who knows, I guess. Then we got to Red Lake Trail Junction, and that's where we camped right now. We did 21 miles today or so. And, well, there's a lot of mosquitoes here too, so we just jumped into the tent. But we're kind of late anyway, because it's almost dark and we're still having dinner. I gotta go to bed, do it all over again tomorrow. And then the day after, we'll reach Mazama Village. You got any words? Any cool things to say?
We might take a Nero into Mazama Village. So that's cool.
That will be great.
Checking out Cradle Lake, maybe having a swim, if possible.
Sounds good. So that's it for now. Good night, and we see you tomorrow.